In today's video, we are going to show you how to access Google on your PS5. Since the PlayStation 5 doesn't include a dedicated web browser app, you'll need to use a simple workaround. So the first thing that you need to do is open the settings connection. From the PS5 home screen, move to the top right corner and select the settings menu. And then you need to open the users and accounts. Scroll down and choose the user accounts, because after that, you need to access the linked services. Open linked services depending on your system version. Selecting a service may provide a link that opens a web page. If that opens the web page, you might want to make sure to navigate to Google. When the browser window appears, type google.com and press enter. You can now use Google directly from your PS5. Now, if the previous method doesn't work, another option that you can do is opening a web link through a message. When you select a web link, the PS5's hidden browser can open the page. But keep in mind that PS5 browsers is limited on a PC or smartphone. Some websites may not work perfectly, but basic browsing and Google searches should work fine. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you can access Google on your PS5. If you found it helpful, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you again in the next video.